Hey, Zachary. Do you have the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups, little guy? The hiccups? I think with all that grunting, you're trying to poop or fart. And say hi. Say, look at me. Look how big I am. Well, you're really tiny, but yeah, wow. You're getting big. So yeah, we're just waiting for my belly button to fall off, and then I'll be officially a big boy. But right now, I'm 2 weeks old. In another 16 minutes. That's all I got. All I got right there for hair. What kind of a nose is that? Worm's nose or Hiccups nose? I don't know. But he has Hiccups fingers, long fingers, no stunted pinkies. He has practically no eyebrows, so that's definitely not Murmus. But he does have, you can't really see it, but a funky kind of a cow-like thing going on there. Yeah, that's Murmus. I'd say he has Hiccups ears. He eats like a Murmus. Yeah, that's about it. He's a good combination of both, I'd say. See that frown? That is so Hiccups. But the cross-eyed, that's Murmus. Say bye-bye, everybody. See you later.